Hello everyone! Today we are reading Birds by Joe McDonald. Do you like birds? Okay, let's take a look. Birds are all around us, soaring in the sky, singing in the trees, and hopping on the ground. Cock-a-doodle-doo! A rooster starts the day with his loud call. A rooster is a male chicken. A female chicken is called a hen. Peck, peck, peck. This noisy woodpecker is looking for food inside a tree trunk. A woodpecker's beak is strong and pointy. Quack, quack, quack. A duck swims on the pond with her babies. Baby ducklings. Paddle, paddle, paddle. So a baby duck is called a duckling. So there are 4 ducklings and a mother duck. Honk, honk. Pigeons like to live in the loud city. Pigeons often build nests on window ledges and bridges. But flamingos love to flock quietly together near the water. Flamingos often stand on one leg. Can you stand on one leg too? What do you see in the treetops of the warm jungle? It's a toucan with a bright rainbow beak. It's a long beak. Toucans make their nests in hollowed-out trees. Brr, brr, brr. Penguins live in the cold. They can't fly, but they love to swim. The penguin can swim faster than any other bird. So they are birds, but they just cannot fly. Ostriches cannot fly either, but they can run, run, run. The ostrich is the world's largest bird. Baby ostrich is hatching. The hummingbird may be tiny, but it flies fast, forward and backward. They are called hummingbirds because their fat wings make humming noises. Peacocks have beautiful colored tail feathers. What colors do you see? Only male peacocks have bright tails. So this is a male peacock. Woo, woo. An owl sleeps all day and stays awake all night. Good night, owl. Owls can see in the dark perfectly. So, what's your favorite bird? Birds. Hope you enjoy it.